Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel for yet another van tour.
We are Nicole and Edden, and this is the Concrete Oasis 2.0. While it may look familiar to you guys, this is a completely different beast from the first version that we made. It is at such a higher level thanks to Sandy Vans and the team there that helped us engineer this thing to a level that we could never reach on our own.
And now more people will be able to experience this van through the Concrete Oasis limited series.
We are super excited to show you guys everything that we've updated and upgraded in this van and how this limited series is going to look from here on out.
Okay, enough talking. Let's get started. The primary design principle in all of our vans is for it to feel less like a vehicle and more like a home. The front living room features the same L-shaped space designed to host, work, and relax. We love the expansive feeling that this reverse layout provides, and at least 7 people can sit comfortably here. Like in the original, the entire space features our signature microcement material, a durable, flexible, and waterproof finish that gives the incredible look and texture of polished concrete. Our vans have withstood the test of time, and so has this material, which has now become a trend in high-end vans across the industry. Complementing the earth tone microcement is hand-selected walnut veneer, sourced from a supplier who tracks the origin of every tree. The grain match wood features rich character and is finished with a satin coat that's been refined through more than 30 samples to achieve the perfect tone, texture, and durability. We also use this veneer to wrap our aluminum bed frame, mimicking the look of the exposed ceiling beams often seen in home design. The living space expands even further to the outside with the pull-out coffee table and storage compartment, complete with custom bar stools that match the upholstery on the inside. The Fiamma awning extends to create even more usable space. We added a small storage nook, an exterior power outlet, and a beautifully illuminated entry step. We kept the popular partition door to separate the living space from the cab, for privacy, insulation, and driving comfort. In this model, each Concrete Oasis client receives a custom artwork here, tailored to their personal taste. Dual arched windows in this area open fully and include built-in bug screens and blackout shades. The lagoon table services the entire living area comfortably. We used faux lips here and on the bench tops to create the aesthetic of thick slabs while keeping the weight down. This area also includes an additional outlet and the heater vent, which features a first-of-its-kind extendable hose that can direct hot air anywhere in the van, whether it's into a towel after surfing or directly into the bed sheets on a cold night. The hose retracts seamlessly back into the vent when it's not in use. The benches also house additional storage as well as the electrical and water systems. We also added one of our favorite upgrades from Zion Dreams, the integrated TV and charging nook. It includes a 24-inch 4K monitor, a removable Sonos speaker, and another outlet, all accessible when the bed is up or down. There's also an HDMI port on the opposite side of the van to plug in your laptop and use as a dual screen setup. At night, the ambient lighting throughout the van creates a warm, grounded glow. The van now features 4 lighting zones, all of which are dimmable, allowing you to tailor the atmosphere exactly how you want it. There's also a switch by the entrance for easy access when entering or exiting at night. We also included hanging battery-operated bulbs to make the space feel even more homey after dark.
When it's time for bed, the living room effortlessly transforms into the bedroom at the click of a button. The queen-sized Happy Jack bed lowers electronically, offering a full-size sleeping space without the need to convert anything. If you're interested in a HappyJack bed system for your own build, feel free to send us an email. We're happy to help. When the bed is down, it reveals a large skylight for stargazing or fresh air, which also serves as access to the roof. It includes a built-in mosquito net and blackout shade. The bed lowers far enough down for easy entry, but there's also a pull-out step for easier access if needed. You can comfortably view the 4K smart TV from the bed and use the charging nook for your devices overnight. A second bed can also be created from the living room bench, offering additional sleeping space in a bunk bed configuration, as the HappyJack system can stop at any height.
Moving into the kitchen and wardrobe area, you'll see the same clean design language of microcement, walnut veneer, and black matte hardware and appliances. We also kept our distinctive rattan cabinetry, designed to softly glow at night without fully revealing the items stored behind it. The microcement countertops now include a pop-up wireless charging station, and we replaced the original walnut with another window to bring more natural light to this space. The window includes a built-in blackout blind. Appliances include a dual induction cooktop, a microwave, or optional convection oven, and a large 12-volt stainless steel Dometic fridge. This side of the kitchen also features a pop-up countertop for added space, along with the Redarc control panel that manages all the systems in the van and can be operated via phone app. The mat-like sink includes a pull-out faucet, soap dispenser, and a 3-stage filtered water system. Inlaid under-cabinet LED strips provide ample task lighting. The cabinetry includes generous storage and houses a highly efficient 12-volt water heater. The wardrobe closet offers abundant storage, including hanging space. We also kept the fan favorite built-in laundry chute that leads directly to a basket stowed away in the garage.
The bathroom is where this layout truly shines, and we've upgraded it extensively. Fully waterproofed and finished in microcement, this spa-like space includes a separated wet shower and bathroom area. It features a custom slot sink, a floating vanity with plenty of storage, a backlit arced mirror that doubles as a medicine cabinet, and a Nebia low-flow atomizing shower head with multiple magnetic mounting points. A luxurious glass door separates the bathroom from the rest of the van. The shower pan is now a custom powder-coated aluminum tray, and the water fill and spray hose are cleverly located right above it, eliminating any concern about water leaks while filling. The slide-out Laveo dry flush toilet is now housed behind a custom vertical sliding door for easier access. When not in use, it stows neatly away in the garage. This layout maximizes usable space and offers a generous showering experience, with the doors open, closed, or even outside. The rest of the rear of the van is dedicated to a spacious and adaptable garage that can be configured to your needs. It includes its own lighting, power outlet, the removable laundry basket, and a long pull-out table and storage area.
Every Concrete Oasis comes standard with a custom roof rack with a walkable solar deck generating 480 watts, off-road wheels and tires, a rear spare tire carrier, side and rear steps for easy entry, and a Fiamma awning for expandable shade. Each client can also choose from our wide range of upgrade options, such as a custom vinyl wrap, suspension system, Starlink, floor heating, off-road lighting, exterior storage boxes, surf and bike racks, and much more. The Concrete Oasis 2.0 features an 800 amp-hour electrical system with internally heated SOK lithium batteries, now powered by the rugged and intuitive Redarc system designed specifically for overlanding. The control panel manages nearly all of the systems and can also be accessed via smartphone. Cooling is handled by the Dometic RTX 2000 12-volt air conditioner and Max Air vent fan. Heating is powered by an S-bar diesel heater drawing fuel directly from the van's diesel tank.
Every element of Concrete Oasis 2.0 has been elevated to a new level of refinement. From the use of more durable materials to the re-engineering of every structure for weight, efficiency, and longevity, every detail has been held to the highest standard of fit,
and finish. This van is the result of an uncompromising commitment to design, durability, and detail. It's the evolution of everything we've learned, refined and elevated into its most complete form. Every decision was made with intention, in pursuit of something truly exceptional and in a category of its own, and we couldn't be prouder of the result.
All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the tour.
As you can see, we have completely dialed in this build. It was so amazing to be able to get a second go at the same van build, just make all the little improvements that we knew we could, and then so many other improvements that Sandy Vans just brought to the table that we would have never even thought of.
We just want to take this opportunity to give a huge thank you to Alan, Evan, and the entire Sandy Vans team that absolutely crushed it beyond our expectations on this build, and we're so happy we're doing this with you guys.
If you guys are interested in one of these vans, I can't believe we get to say this now.
Yeah.
You can have one. Well, buy one.
The best way to reach us is to email us. We'll put our email down in the description below. And you can follow us on Nicole Edden on pretty much every platform: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook.
All of them.
All of them to follow along on everything that we're doing.
If you like what we create, if you like our vans, please subscribe and like this video. It actually helps us so much and we appreciate it so much. And if you would be possibly interested in seeing the Concrete Oasis being built on a 144, definitely send us an email or drop a comment down below so we can understand how bad you guys want that. And maybe we'll bring it to life.
Thanks for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you out there.
Bye.
Bye.